Windows universe. Michael here with the Windows Club, bringing you another video that is sure to make your digital life just a little bit easier. Now, you're minding your own business, going about your digital business, and suddenly you see the error message, Windows script host disabled on this machine. It then prompts you to contact your administrator for details. Well, in this video we will look at how to enable or disable the Windows script host. Of course, we will link an article in the description below that will go further in depth on this topic. Now, before we begin, a little background on Windows Script Host. It is a Microsoft technology that provides scripting abilities like batch files, but they include many more features. They can be run directly from the desktop by double-clicking them, or run from a command prompt. They can be run from the protected mode Windows-based wscript.exe or the command shell cscript.exe. There have been reports of HTML malware that uses Windows Script Host, and as a result, many users and system admins have been disabling them. The downside is this prevents users from running any scripts, including VBScript and jscript. So software that relies on this to operate may not work properly, or not work at all if this is disabled. So, let's look at how to disable or enable Windows Script Host. Now, the process is the same either way. We are just changing a value. So, let's start by opening a run box and then opening the registry editor by typing regedit.exe. Then navigate to, let me make this a little bit, here. Navigate to HKey Local Machine, Software, Microsoft Windows Script, Host, and Settings. So I'm just going to copy this, go to my editor, in the right pane you might see a line that says Enabled. If the value is set to 0, then Windows Script has been disabled. Now, if you don't see this entry, don't freak out. You might have to create it since it does not exist in Windows by default. The article we linked in the description shows more information on how to create it. Now, to enable it, you're going to double-click on it and set the value to 1. And of course, to disable it, you're going to double-click on it and set the value to 0. Once you have it where you want it, you just click on OK, and you're all set. Now, a shortcut to this, a while ago we did a video on a freeware app the Windows Club offers called FixWin that can adjust this and much more with a single click. So, you could go into FixWin, go down to additional fixes, and as you see, Windows Script Host access is disabled on this machine. You just click the button Fix, and FixWin will do the same. It will take care of everything for you. Now, have you experienced problems with Windows Script Host? Why did you feel the need to disable it? Let us know in the comments below. And for other helpful fixes and how-tos, as well as the latest Windows 10 news and more, visit our website at thewindowsclub.com. And if this video helped you, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, where we're always adding new content to make your digital life just a little bit easier. Thanks for watching and have a great day.